Mayor and Council, I appreciate the invitation to bring the status of these local projects to you. I'm the area engineer for TxDOT, and basically what that means is that I oversee construction and maintenance on the state highway system in 3 different counties, Grimes, Brazos, and Robertson counties. I'm here today to update you on 2 construction projects that are ongoing. State Highway 6, which you saw converted today to one-way, and then State Highway 105, which is a little bit out of town, up to 17 miles if you count the distance. Goes a good distance. I'll bring you up to speed on those, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the second phase of State Highway 6. The first project I want to speak on is the one that underwent some changes today that I guess we've had a little bit of feedback, but nothing too negative. We did begin the conversion process of the frontage roads to one-way, and basically in doing that, the step that we've taken today is to close the opposing lane. The lane that is traveling the wrong direction has been closed. Left and right turns from the interchange highways that cross State Highway 6, those wrong turns have been shut down. And then of course at all driveway locations along those frontage roads, we've placed a one-way sign coming out of those driveways. So we put great emphasis on that. We've had message boards out ahead of the swap, and we feel like we've had a success today unless someone knows otherwise. This process is evolving though over the coming week. We will continue to hold that lane closed while we do a surfacing of that closed lane to obliterate the existing striping, get rid of the 2-way striping, get rid of the signage in that direction. Within about a week's time, we'll feel like we've probably broken most of the habitual drivers from the wrong way, and we will then shift traffic to the surface lane so that we can surface the other lane. The project began last summer. The project is with Big Creek Construction. It was a project with a budget of $1.9 million. As the budget stands, we're roughly 80% complete with the construction and should wrap up and be gone from here within 2 months on that given project. Now the second phase of this project is just about to let, and it'll actually let tomorrow. So some big events. We had the one-way conversion start today. We have the letting of the second project tomorrow. We've had as many as 7 bidders pull bids, so it looks like a competitive letting. The preliminary estimate for construction on this project is $5 million. The possible start date could be somewhere around December of this year. The contractor will have a plus or minus 3-month window for startup. The scope of the project is that it will add 2 U-turns at the State Highway 90 and 105 interchange. It will add 1 U-turn to the north side of the Spur 515 and State Highway 105 interchange. It'll add sidewalk out to the high school, and then it will connect the frontage road stubs out in front of Martha's Bloomers, and it will tie Business 6 route into FM 3090 headed southbound. So varied scope, but it'll create some completion of this this frontage road and this freeway system that we have for Navasota. The third project to discuss with you this evening is the one that's a little further out of town. It starts here at State Highway 6 and 105, and it completes out east at the county line about 17 miles later. What we have going there is what we call a Super 2 highway. Super 2 is basically a cost-effective solution to the traffic congestion and the safety, and it provides alternating passing lanes within existing right-of-ways. So basically, those of you that have been out to Huntsville and have driven State Highway 30, you have a 2-lane highway, but you have, like you would have in mountainous areas, you have opportunities for passing, and we'll have 3 of those in each direction. You'll have a total of 6 within that section of road. The project should be completed by December of this year, and it's a $7 million project, and it's under construction with not Big Creek. It's not River on that one. So that's a status. I'm more than happy to take any questions, if I can add any information.
There is the one for the overpass, the underpass artwork and whatnot, is that a tag on the second project, or is it gonna be a third, or is it gonna be?
It should be bid within the plan set that will bid tomorrow.
Okay, so it's in there,
It's in there.
with the mosaics and all the redo, cleanup of the overpass and stuff.
Yeah. Part of the governor's community garage heating